When the concentration of a specific reactant has no effect on the rate, we call this reactant a zero-order reactant. So to start, when we write the rate equation, we write rate equals K times the concentration of the reactant to the power of the order. So the order is 0, so we have the concentration to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So rate equals K times 1, so rate equals K. Now let's look at a concentration time graph. Well, we know that another way to think of the rate of reaction is the change in concentration of reactant over the change in time. This is the same as the gradient is the change in y over the change in x. However, since for a zero-order graph, the rate is unaffected by a change in concentration, we must have a constant gradient and so a straight line. For a rate concentration graph, we know again that the concentration will have no effect on the rate, so the graph just looks like a horizontal line. You might also see in some exam questions that we have a large excess of a reactant in order to keep the concentration roughly constant and to make that reactant act as a zero-order reactant.